Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, back with me DJ Lala. Ito na po ang first step to be okay. The first step to be okay, my love, is to be your own friend. The reason why most of the time nakakaramdam tayo ng disappointment is because we expect too much from ourselves. You see, meron kasing fine line between dreaming and expecting. Dreaming is believing that what you are doing right now will eventually take you sa gusto mong marating o patunguhan. Expecting is when you start demanding things that you think you deserve para makarating ka sa paroroonan. And that's when things get tricky. It's either hindi mo matatanggap yung simpleng pagkakamali mo sa buhay, or every setback na mararanasan mo will discourage you to keep on going. Love, you have to be your own friend. Stop expecting yourself to be the ideal version that you want to be, and just embrace who you are right now and do good with the cards you are dealt with. Tanggapin mo na minsan talaga magkakamali ka, maluloko ka, maiiwan ka. It happens to everybody, and that is not solely your fault. Forgive yourself for not becoming the society standard of beauty, wealth, and success. Define those words in your own terms. Be there for yourself each downfall and celebrate yourself after each milestone. Hindi ka perpekto, but always remember this: you are worth it in every single way. Tandaan mo yan, okay? At eto na nga po ang second step on how to be okay. Love, be your own strength. May mga taong swerte enough to have someone ride the waves of life with them. Mga taong handang dumamay sa kanila through thick and thin. Mga taong laging nakaabang, laging nakasalo. Either you have a strong family tie to back you up, or meron kang super special someone to pick you up each time you fall. But as for the others, we don't have that luxury. Some of us are fighting our own battles on our own. This is when being your own strength should be a must. Hindi ka laging may kasama, hindi ka laging may kadamay. So learn to be alone and independent. Huwag mong isandig lagi yung desisyon mo sa ibang tao o sa pamilya mo. Huwag mo laging idepende sa tao ang kasiyahan mo. Learn more about yourself. What makes you laugh, what makes you cry, what makes you happy, and what makes you feel satisfied. Knowing is strength, my love. If kilala mo yung sarili mo and kaya mo i-handle yung sarili mo, then nothing and no one can ever break you. The reason why David defeated Goliath, aside from the fact na matalino siya, is because he believed he is strong enough to do so. He believed he can, so he did. Don't expect someone to always pick you up when you fall. You are stronger and braver than that. You won't see it now unless you'll try. Okay? Oras na para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Isa na namang kabisyo natin ang nangungunsume sa buhay. Tara, guluhin natin siya. Ito ay galing sa ating FB page DJ Lala Banderas. This one ay mula kay Mara. Hi DJ Lala, please pa-advise naman po. 1 year na po kaming nagsasama ng boyfriend ko. Actually, second cousins po kami. Una kaming nagkita sa province way back 2010 I think. Doon po nag-start yung storya namin. Palagi po niya akong tinatawagan dati hanggang sa pinakilala kami sa isa't isa na magpinsan pala kami. Kaya nawalan kami ng chance para sa isa't isa. To make the long story short, after 9 years, nagkita ulit kami sa Manila. Then doon na ulit nag-start. Kumbaga doon na natuloy yung naudlot naming pagtitinginan. Biglaan lang po lahat hanggang sa nag-decide kaming magsama until now. Nagsama kami 2020 up to now. Hihingi po sana ako ng advice if itutuloy ko pa ba kahit na alam kong mali dahil magpinsan kami at ayaw din po ng family niya at family ko. Sa loob ng 1 taon naming pagsasama DJ Lala, doon namin na-prove na mahal talaga namin ang isa't isa. Sa gitna ng problema, magkasama pa din kami. At ayaw din naman ng boyfriend ko na magkahiwalay kami. Selfish po ba ako kahit na alam kong galit ang pamilya ko sa akin, pero ito pa din, mas pinipili ko pa din ang boyfriend ko. Sana po mapansin niyo itong sulat ko. Salamat po. Well, hi Mara. First of all, thank you for sending in your story. I'll be frank and honest. Sorry my love, but you have to stop it. You may think grabe yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa, but I hate to break it to you, it's not true. Kaya lang ganyan ka-strong yung nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa kasi alam nyong may ginagawa kayong bawal. It's nothing but a high. Sooner or later magda-die down yung high na nararamdaman ninyo and you'll both realize you've made a very bad choice being in a relationship with your pinsan. Alam mo naman siguro yung kasabihan nila na habang pinipigil lalong nanggigigil. That sounded wrong pero gets mo, diba? Kasi iba ang satisfaction kapag ginagawa mo yung bagay na pinipigilan ka ng iba to do. Andun yung want mo to prove them wrong, will to make it work, desire to oppose, and believe na ikaw yung tama. Kung tunay nyong mahal yung isa't isa, my love, hindi nyo hahayaang mawalan ang isa't isa ng pamilya. Hindi nyo gugustuhing talikuran sila ng mga taong nagpalaki, umaruga at bumuhay sa kanila. Hindi nyo matitikis na mawala yung taong mahal nyo sa mga taong wala namang ginawang masama kung hindi mahalin lang sila at ilagay sila sa tama. I'm telling you, yung nararamdaman yung sobrang tinding feeling para sa isa't isa, yung feeling na para bang walang titibag sa inyo, ay nothing but a high na pinigil nyo ng ilang taon at ngayon ay ina-aggravate ng idea ng ipinagbabawal na pag-ibig. You may even feel at times na para kayong bida sa Korean novela na against all odds or ang drama nyo ay you and me against the world. But love, you have to understand, they are not fighting what you guys have for no reason. The fact na humihingi ka sa akin ng advice, it means na you do recognize na mali ang ginagawa nyo at hindi yan dapat. Let this be a mistake na pwede mo nalang balikan dahil sa lahat ng natutunan. Not that kind of mistake na habang buhay mong pagbabayaran. Stop now, Mara. Nothing and no one is ever worth turning your back against your own family for. Putulin mo na yan ngayon bago pa yan magbunga. Kung di kayo takot na mawalan ng pamilya, maawa kayo sa mga anak ninyo. Sila ang mas matagal magdudusa because of the choices you've made. Sila din kasi, di pa pinapanganak, tinatanggalan nyo na ng kamag-anak. Okay? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, Mara, I'll stop. You think you love the guy too much, but I'm telling you, it's just a high. Okay? So I hope natulungan kita, Mara, and I hope you'll make the right decision from this day forward. At kung meron kang pinagdadaanan na katulad kay Mara, that one goes out to you too. At syempre sa mga kabisyo natin, if you wanna be like Mara at meron din kayong mga storya na nais nyong ihingi ng tulong sa akin, all you have to do is send it over sa aking Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. O kaya naman, send it through my mobile number 0917-851-4329. Love, mukhang kailangan na naman nating gumarahe ng ating biyahe. Parang feeling ko yung 3-hour show natin sa dami ng kuda ko pang MMK episode for a month. Anyway, eto na ang last tip natin on how to be okay. Love, slow down. Don't rush things. There's always time. Huwag mong takbuhin yung karera ng buhay na para bang mauubusan ka ng daan. If yung mga kasabayan mo malayo na at sa tingin mo na iiwan ka, that's okay. Take your time. Enjoy everything you have. Namnamin mo kumbaga, wag kang magmadali. Their choices shouldn't be yours as well. Parang produkto lang ang buhay, love. Mas tinatangkilik kapag pinagbubuhusan ng panahon para tapusin. Madali kasing masira yung mga bagay na minamadali. Kaya if you think you are getting left behind, try to look at it this way. You are just taking your time. Life is meant to be lived and you are just living yours. Okay? Love, one more thing. Let me tell you this. You are just fine. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3 hours of our show. And of course, sana kung may pinagdadaanan ka, merong bumabagabag sa'yo, I hope this episode helped you. And if you wanna go back dun sa mga previous tips natin, i-collate natin lahat yan, tapos ipopost sa ating YouTube channel sa Love Radio Manila. Just find this episode doon sa ating YouTube channel. At syempre, if you wanna follow me on my socials, you can always do so. DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Laika, and TikTok. Sa mga kabisyo natin, nakasama niyo po DJ Lala Banderas para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Ito po ang programang Biyahe ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Bye! I love you! Mwah!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.